Let's see what the wheel picks for this week. And it is urban sketching. I recently visited London and took hundreds of pictures. When I saw this picture, I knew I wanted to urban sketch it at some point. So I was so glad the wheel landed on this project. I started by sketching the bus and the Big Ben with a pencil. If you want to start your own urban sketch journey, I leave some product links in the description. After that, I went with a micron over it. And then I used my Derwent Inktense in yellow and brown to make the Big Ben. I activated them with water. I don't like the Parliament part of the picture. Wasn't the best way to do it. I should have left it. It's amazing how the colors activate when you put water on them. They're really pigmented. I then put in the shadows of the bus to give it more depth. The sky. And then I start the second time to bring more shadows into the picture. Get some darker edges. I also put some black into the red for the sides to make it darker. And with that, I was finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!